Today, military forces face many challenges. The world situation, constantly changing and shifting, means military units and peacekeepers must be prepared to deploy quickly. And today's military assignments are often arduous and logistically demanding. For peacekeepers, asked to perform difficult and stressful jobs in hostile environments, quality of life is paramount. Operational effectiveness and morale can be influenced by the camps which house personnel. Camps must be quick to deploy and easy to demobilize, and they must supply security, convenience, and comfort. That's why militaries throughout the world look to Weatherhaven, the company that supplies full-service camp systems. Over 2 decades of experience has helped Weatherhaven evolve into one of the world's leading designers and manufacturers of expeditionary camps. Weatherhaven shelters can be found on all 7 continents, in every type of climate and terrain. In over 50 countries, these innovative shelter solutions have proved themselves to be effective, rugged, and adaptable. The Weatherhaven full-service system includes design and development, manufacturing, transport logistics, greenfield deployments, camp management, demobilization, repair and overhaul, warehousing, and inventory turnover through consignment sales. Weatherhaven provides it all. During the Kosovo conflict, Weatherhaven provided a variety of shelters and camp systems for the Canadian military's RTC, relocatable temporary camps. In Kosovo, over 1,300 Canadian peacekeepers were housed in the Series 4 system. The Series 4 accommodation shelters are designed for rapid and smooth assembly. A strong interlocking framework, in combination with a flexible insulated fabric cover, creates a comfortable environment that can be used for many different applications. Weatherhaven also supplied the Canadian military with MEX 26 shelters for equipment maintenance. These heavy-duty units have been utilized by the Canadian forces for over 15 years. Like all Weatherhaven products, they are easy to assemble and have excellent durability. They can be deployed repeatedly and require little maintenance. A key component of the Canadian RTC was Weatherhaven's Mobile Expandable Container Configuration Unit, the MEC. Kitchen facilities, ablution complexes, offices, all were created using Weatherhaven MECs. The MEC combines Weatherhaven fabric know-how with ISO technology to form the world's most robust 3-for-1 expanding shelter. And a MEC unit can be set up by 2 persons in 10 to 15 minutes. MEC shelters can be customized to provide a variety of internal configurations. As used in the Canadian RTC, 2 MEC units form the core of a kitchen complex that was designed to prepare meals for a minimum of 250 people. 2 MEC containers containing high-quality kitchen equipment were opened next to each other. Next, a tactical floor system was laid around the MECs to expand the kitchen work area. Finally, the entire floor plan was enclosed in a Weatherhaven Series 4 shelter. In one location in Kosovo, 2 of these kitchens were combined with integrated dining areas and corridors to form an extraordinary complex that fed up to 1,000 people a day. The MEC is ideally suited for use as a rapidly deployed ablution, as it can be offloaded and ready to use within 30 minutes. Flexible configurations, combined with an integrated mechanical room, allow the MEC to be used as either a standalone facility or as part of a complex. And the strength of MEC construction ensures that pre-installed high-quality fixtures and equipment are protected during transport. The mech is built to exacting ISO specifications. This allows it to be transported to any location in the world as a standard ISO shipping container, providing security and logistical flexibility. And CSC plating allows for 9-high stacking during transport and double stacking in a camp configuration, a plus when real estate is scarce. The company's designers have developed Weatherhaven's products so they provide tremendous versatility for the setup and growth of military camps. Weatherhaven shelters are ideal for rapid response initial standard deployments. One ISO container and one mech contain the shelters and ablution units required for this 60-person module. Then, as a follow-on upgrade, the original Weatherhaven shelters can be enhanced with raised floors, corridors, and quality furnishings, all transportable in ISO containers. Weatherhaven can integrate the empty purpose-built containers into central corridors that connect sleeping quarters and ablutions. Alternatively, soft wall corridors can be used. However, this will increase the logistics tail by one ISO container per 60-person module. These corridors provide personnel with protection from the elements and visual observation, helping to ensure safety and security. The basic building blocks can then be expanded to facilitate larger deployments, such as this 250-person camp, which can easily be expanded to any size. In Kosovo, the flexibility of Weatherhaven's expeditionary camp systems was demonstrated when the Canadian Forces' 1,000-person main camp was fully demobilized in a mere 16 days, fully packaged, fully inventoried, and operationally ready for the next deployment. Weatherhaven's experienced and innovative staff continue to refine the concepts and adapt them to provide cost-effective solutions that meet the needs of military forces around the world. Design and development, manufacturing, transport logistics, greenfield deployments, camp management, demobilization, repair and overhaul, warehousing, and inventory turnover through consignment sales. The full-service expeditionary camp system from Weatherhaven.